Hello everybody, this is Justin from Changsha Steam Mosquito Net Factory in China. Today, I would like to introduce one of our hot sale portable mosquito nets to our customers worldwide. Look, this is our hot sale mosquito net. I'm now in the office and show you two samples to you. The mosquito net is very simple. It's made by fiberglass tube, mesh fabric, and Oxford fabric, and some spare parts. So you see, this is what we call the mesh fabric. This part is Oxford fabric. For the Oxford fabric, we have two different quality. One is 150 denier, and another one is the cheaper one is 200 denier fabric. And the tubes. So for the tubers, some older version mosquito nets, they use the steel tubes, but now we use the fiberglass tubes. Now this is the fiberglass. Okay, fiberglass tube. And each net has more than 8 joints. So this is a joint. The older version of the net, the mosquito net, we use the fixed. This is the fixed joint or fixed connector. But now we use the flexible. We use the foldable net. Now you see, this is the foldable or flexible or collapsible connector or joint. And also, for the upgraded mosquito net, we use a very good stabilizer. You can also call it a fixator. So look like this one. This is the upgraded mosquito net. We use a stabilizer. Look, this is the stabilizer. So the stabilizer can make the net more stable. Now you see. So you can compare the mosquito net with stabilizer and without stabilizer. You can see. So the one with the stabilizer looks more stable. So you can see it from the video. And it seems to be the quality would be much better. See. For the package, now you see, we have 3 different packages. So one way is to use this is the plastic package. So each one is packed with the plastic bag. This plastic bag. This is the PE or PVC bag. And the last one is the cotton. So some customers will use PVC or PE bag with the cottons. So we can pack according to the specific requirements from the customers worldwide. Currently, 99% of the customers will use poly bag plus cotton or PVC bag plus cotton. So each net is packed in PVC bag, then 30 or 50 pieces per cotton. For the sizes of the mosquito net, we have around 5 different sizes. We have the mosquito nets for kids, for babies, for adults, for students, for double room or for one room, and also we can you can customize it, which means we can make any size based on your requirement. So if you are interested in this product, or if you are interested in being our distributor in your country, so what you have to do is very simple. You can send us an email with your order details and your requirements. Then we can quote you case by case. This is a very hot sale mosquito net in China. We already sold more than 2 million in last summer. And now we have customers from South Asia, Latin America, and Africa. So much for today. Thank you for watching. Welcome to China.